Welcome back, guys. Alright, so I'm here today with a natural hair video. Don't do this a lot, but I do them when I can. My hair is dirty right now. I look crazy. I just have it out in a fro. I'm just gonna do an updated wash day, video. Haven't done one in a while, and it's been a while since I washed my hair, like 3 weeks. So it's really dirty. So the first product I'm going to go ahead and take is my Shea Moisture Raw Shea Frizz Defense Shampoo. Alright, and I'll be sure to list all the products used in the video in the description box as well, so check that out for that. Now, I had to go in with shampoo. You guys know shampoo isn't something that I always use, but my hair was so dirty, man. I really had to cleanse it, so I went in and I just applied that thoroughly throughout my hair, and just massage my scalp, run it right along the length of the hair, make sure that it was all over and got right in there. But yeah, as I was saying, I don't always use shampoo because I don't like how drying it is to the hair. It kind of strips the hair of the natural oils, and I kind of want to keep some of that most of the time, but today I really had to cleanse it, so that's the reason why I used it. But I usually just co-wash. Co-wash means I just use conditioner so that I keep more of the moisture in my hair. So when I co-wash, I try to, like, I'd say wash my hair more regular. But since it's been a while since I washed my hair, I had to take this step. Okay, so after this, I went ahead and washed my hair out. The next product I'm gonna go in with is my Every Strand olive oil treatment. All right, and this, as it says, it's a treatment. I really wanted to treat my hair today, so I went ahead and used this one. And as you can see right here, my hair is washed out and it's looking a bit dry. This is gonna help to just restore moisture, give the hair some body again, give it more body, stuff like that. Guys, yes, I am very heavy-handed. I'm using a comb to kind of detangle, and after I do that, I go ahead and twist. Now, on the bottle, it recommends that you leave this in for 2 to 3 minutes, but due to the fact that I haven't washed my hair in a while or done anything to it, it was just braided up and I was wearing wigs, I left this in for about 30 minutes to just sit and really penetrate my hair and get in there, because I actually love when I treat my hair. I don't know, I don't know, I just do. So this is it when I finish applying all the product, applying the product to all the sections. I go ahead and apply a shower cap to kind of let it sit.
You find what you've been looking for.
I took my Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner, which I absolutely love, and it's very light on the hair. It's not a heavy product at all. As you can see, it doesn't even leave a cast or anything like that on the hair. I just spray it in the palm of my hands and run it along the hair. And yeah, really love the moisture that this product adds, the sheen, it's really nice. It leaves my hair feeling so soft. It's amazing. I love it. Now I'm going in with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Curl Pudding. This is like an OG product. Yeah, I always stop, then come back. I don't know, I use this product on and off a lot, and I don't really have a reason for that. It's just that sometimes I try out new stuff, but it's really nice. So I went ahead and applied that today, and I'm also using my Eco Styler gel, the Argan Oil one. I'm using a bit of that to just give my curls a little extra definition. No, I did not cancel Eco Gel. I don't use Eco Gel a lot at all. God bless the time when me use Eco. I took this paddle brush I got from RPG here and I ran it down the length of my hair. Now, you guys, can you tell the reason why I love that wig I love from RPG here so much? The wet and wavy one that I've been wearing so much, the gym wig, because my hair resembles the texture on that wig so much. Look, like, as I ran the brush through my own hair, I was like, yo, this is the reason why I love that wig. It, like, my hair texture is so similar to the wig. So that's why I love wearing it that much. It's just more realistic. So afterwards, I proceeded to styling. And I took an elastic band and kind of just put my hair up in one at the top so it could be together. Because I wanted to do like a little updo. I literally just, went ahead and molded it the way I wanted it to be. It was almost like a pineapple. It's not the first time I'm doing this type of hairstyle, but the focus wasn't really for the hairstyle. It's really just an update on what I'm currently doing when I wash my hair, how that's going and stuff like that. Yeah, this is what we're working with. That's how it turned out. I hope this video, I don't know, helped you out. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know the other videos you'd like for me to do, guys, please, so I can go ahead and get on top of that. You guys know I always listen to you. Don't forget to go ahead and check out the description box or all the products used. And thank you guys for helping me to hit 350k. Thank you. Yay, now we're on to 400. So grateful. Thank you guys. But that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.